Hello guys, today's video we are going to do the house hunting. Our family and the broker are looking for a plex, say duplex or triplex, whatever you call. So etong bahay na to ay aming nagustuhan, pero we'll see how it looks like.
And then we just put it, you guys will second visit since we put it back on the market.
Okay. I'm very new, but they've been waiting for me on Facebook for this week.
Okay.
But I'm working with partner.
Yeah. They rented the ground floor for, it's at 2015 or 2019 now. And upstairs we were very nice. Are they buying for occupancy? Okay. Yeah, I'll show you the basement after.
Yeah. Oh, agdan na ta nga to.
Dapat kartina na niya.
Yeah, that's good.
Oh my God. Kaya... Oh my God. Anak, pinag ko ng babae kaya.
Kaso ano yung price da?
Isumpay ako.
Ano dito? Pears? Nagadong mo.
Ay.
So, this is the backyard, how it looks like. Pwedeng mag-garden. There's a space. A spacious balcony. That's the stair going to the second floor. This is their kitchen and the dining room.
Tapos yung ato, the extension na din
Ito yung ladaan na siguro.
Ano ba?
Ayan.
Then, anti-extension ijay. The extension na din ato na.
Kaya, mabaling nga makita man di.
Hindi ka muna magi.
Ay, kasi adati.
Mabalang sa na pa, mabaling sa na.
Oh my God.
Upstairs,
Hindi kita enjoy. Buka, let me see here. Very nice. I love it.
Yan, dami gusto yung mga babae niya. What is this? Ang dami mo.
First room. Second room.
Okay. Babae mo. Kailangan lang kasi tipinta.
Dalusan lang.
Dalusan ang tinta. Yeah.
Kasyamot lang yung baba.
Ano bitas na kitin?
This is the extension.
Dati,
Oh, dati ano na, dalan
Pag
na.
naan na naman ba niya baba?
Oh, that's it. Okay na da, toy.
Yeah.
Paglabaan.
Ada na laundry?
Yeah. Machine. Storage. What?
Yaya, nakita mo yung picture mo. Kapag kang sinunod.
tapos, dabal ko na naman.
Yeah, that's the balcony.
Pagkuwaran, tapos ikibaba.
Yeah.
Maya.
Pwede sa lamisaan.
Okay.
Ado, boring. Siguro di
Books.
Yan ito. Yan pa, nasa pagkita mo.
Washer and dryer ka na dida eh.
Okay.
Dati sa
Napintas na han.
Yeah.
May straw siguro, dadi ko ni.
Hindi, libro na.
Mga napantat sila na.
Oops. Oh, the other side.
Dito sa garage. Oh, we got
Nah.
There's like a cold room under the stairs.
Oh, napindot.
The shower's behind the door. Yeah. Here, no.
That's the garage.
here.
Okay.
Naglawa ito yun nani.
With your appliances, obviously the garage, and then through here, you have that second entrance, which is what would make it an official bachelor, because you need to have 2 entry points,
Sa lot
and
of
then more
storage.
storage here. Yeah. It was used as a workshop, but you could definitely just put gyps and make it a storage.
Naglawa, nagado storage na. So, ano ha, pakialaman dito adatino ka na na, dito granta. Kanya tayo nung pagta. Ate Jazz,
Oh.
nukas pagarigan.
Kita na.
Paano na pakialaman igtanong ko dito ang granta to. Yeah.
Kung namang storage ang kabasit, okay lang.
Yeah.
Sir na din storage na. Kasi
Paglawa din.
Oh, naglawa. Oh my God.
Diba
This is amazing. Yeah.
Kaya nilang table na para adaptate.
Room na.
Di kwarto, no, ta kung maumay dito yung Toronto. Bal, ay, mga PNP TV.
Wala, kasi kung wala.
Oh, cool. Manang.
Give me some food.
Ano atin starfish din ba?
Cute.
Yeah.
I like the basement.
It's a full basement, fully finished. And I love it. Very beautiful and spacious.
You good?
Kanya
No question?
Bakla, lang bayad na. Concern.
Yeah, you could literally close this thing off and make it its own separate unit if you wanted to and generate that extra revenue.
That's true.
A lot of people are always looking for that.
Mm-hmm.
Is that your question?
How much it will be rented out and how much will be the cost to ask the city for the permit?
The cost of this at the city it's all depending on how much your renovations are going to cost you because it's a
Okay.
percentage.
Okay.
But like not more than like 1,000, 1,200.
Dati nagmaya di tawa, may. Pangi pa nagti audience ka.
Nalalas yung nga to.
Dalaw-lawa di sa alas mo. Kailangan na lang tinetouch ng tiking kadegya, bakit? Babae.
See? Clean.
Yeah. Ato di pag ano, pag gardena. That's it. Done for the first house visit. Let's move on to the second house. Next, triplex. Here we go. Hindi yun, naarwa ba? May tao ba? What? May tao? What? Let's move on to the second floor. Madamot ti ano na. Paglabaan na.
Siyempre kasi siguro di ba patas din.
Maybe. This is the basement. Hindi pa kitchen na. Ay, ito dahil magkwarto-kwarto. Dahil pa...
May sana po. Terene ka po.
Natako ako.
The PS na. Sampai nga niya DS dito sa pag-iisip.
What's S, ate?
Nakapagdati na po.
Puro.
Oh, dito tayo doon. So, this is the backyard. Let's move on to the third house visit. Yeah.
Nagpadala ang sa bali lagi ang
Ada storage na ito. Ada storage na ito.
Kasi din ba ito?
Ba?
Din ba ito?
Yung akin nagkasta.
Din ba pa yan?
Toilet. Halawa mo. Yeah. Ada idea mo.
At idea ko. Nalawa ako yung tutuusin. Open concept is
Yan, halawa pa mo karas na doon. Latay ka. Oo. Yeah. Going to the basement. Yan, halawa mo. So these are the 3 houses that we visited, and unfortunately these are not meant for us. Thank you for watching.